Last week I made a lovely lunch concoction made up of mashed avocado, edamame beans, tuna, and you could mix it all up, lemon juice, coriander, and put it onto crackers, or you could put it onto rice wafers or toast. And I got so many comments of women who said, I struggle so much with lunch ideas. So that's what I am bringing you today. I am doing another super easy lunch idea, and we're making egg wraps. So my name is Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. It's all I want to do for you. I just want you to make it easy for you to make more nutritional choices. So I've already cooked this egg wrap, but I am going to talk you through it, how I did it, and it is just so easy. Now, if you haven't joined my free challenge, which if you struggle with healthy eating, then this is exactly where you need to be. Starting next Monday, 5 tips to kickstart healthy eating habits. I've put the link above, but head to wickedwellbeing.com/healthy habits. It's 5 days, it's completely free. I'm just going to share everything, just to make it easy for you. So, to make this, it's an egg wrap. Some people are gluten-free, can't eat bread, you get sick of lunch, and you get sick of sandwiches, get sick of buns. So this is just a really, really delicious, easy idea to make. So all you do is take 2 eggs. As I said, I've already made the wrap. Put them into a cup. Whisk them together with some salt and pepper. So I'm just going to chuck one in here, just showing you. Put some salt and pepper. You can put herbs, you can put other flavorings. I just keep it really, really simple. Then in a hot pan, just melt a little bit of oil and swish it around. Cook the egg wrap. It's like an omelette, but you're making it, so you want it in quite a big pan so that it's the size of a wrap, so that then you can fold it. Okay, so you cook it for a couple of minutes, flip it to cook the other side, and then take it off. Now, if you are making this to take to work, then I would absolutely make sure that it's cold before you fill it. But it's easy to transport. It's also easy to have as a little nibble if you're, entertaining people. But so I've got my egg wrap here. Yay, just love it. And then I'm just going to fill it with all different things. So I've got some hummus here, and I've got some avocado, and I've got some kimchi. I've got some chicken already and made in the fridge, cooked, so I could put some of that in. Got some rocket and some grated carrot. Honestly, you can put absolutely anything in it that you put into a normal sandwich. And then you just roll it. Cut it. And you've got a beautiful egg wrap. How easy is that? I just love sharing these ideas with you because I want to make it, as I say, I just want to make it easy. And nutritious eating actually doesn't have to be hard. You just need a toolbox of ideas, and you just need to be prepared with the ingredients. So if you haven't signed up to my free challenge, 5 tips to kickstart healthy eating habits, which starts on Monday the 29th, next Monday. I've got over 270 people already signed up, and each day I'm going to be doing a short live video just sharing ideas with you about, we're going to be doing 3 daily habits, which will be a game changer for you if these aren't habits that you already do. I'm going to be talking about how to do it when you're time poor and exhausted, how to do healthy eating when you're on a budget. I'm talking about what one radical change you can make that people aren't talking about. And so that starts next Monday. Head to wickedwellbeing.com/healthy habits. I've put the link in the box, the details above. Would love to have you on board, and please invite any friends, because the more women's health that I can impact, then the healthier place that we are going to be. I know that it's a big goal, but I I just want to make it achievable and sustainable for you. So I would love to know, have you tried an egg wrap like this before? Is this something, or it's so easy, it doesn't need a recipe. And you can put any fillings in it whatsoever. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Feel free to share the video, and I will look forward to seeing you on the challenge on Monday if that's what you need. Take care.